Guys, this tutorial is basically to explain to you how to create a table of content for your Word document, and it's actually simple. It's all about understanding the headings. So when I'm beginning to create, a document, I want to give it a heading, or if I'm writing a book, I want to give it a heading. So I'm saying title of my book. Obviously, under my title, I might have, say, chapters. You see, so title, let us give a title of my book, right? Well, it might not necessarily have something else written at the bottom, but this your title. You have chapter 1, and you might want to use the heading 2 for your chapters. So chapter, oops, let me select the heading. Chapter 2, right? And maybe chapter heading 2, chapter 3. All right. Now, after selecting the chapters, what more? What do you want to do? Obviously, you wanna maybe want to create sub chapters. So you do heading 3 and you create blah blah blah. That's another title. You wanna write something down. Select your heading 3. Oops, this is supposed to be a heading 3. And in your heading 3, you write whatsoever. This to explain to you that everything encapsulates into the title of your book. So chapter 1 has its own encapsulation, nothing got there, but you can basically wrap up the chapters so that when you're working on many files, so you're working on a chapter of 20 pages, you can easily encapsulate and concentrate on the other chapter. That's the magic of Microsoft Word. So once you've got your chapters, or once you begin writing your book, and when you have your chapters, what you want to do next is to go to your references, choose the table of content, and choose one of the automatic tables. Normally we want to use the automatic table, so say I choose 1, and you can see that it's giving me the pages of the table. You see, it does it automatically. The only thing is, whenever, say, if I add another chapter, say in where is it, home, chapter 4, all I need to do is to just come here, update table, update entire table, and chapter 4. Can you see it? So if chapter 4 was supposed to be on another page, say, I don't know what page this is because I've not numbered them yet. All I have to do is to update entire table. Look at that. It's going to change now. There you go. It's on page 3. So, yeah, that's pretty simple, and I hope this also helps you. Thank you very much for looking at the tutorial, and subscribe.